Hey guys, welcome back to Wagon Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Mercedes W203. So what we're going to do is show you how to replace the door handle. This door handle right here, it's a common spot on Mercedes. It breaks. This one is broken on the inside right here, so we have some play. Stay with us to see how we did that, and don't forget to subscribe. We upload about 5 new videos every week. So what you need to do first, right here, you need to go on the bottom with a flat screwdriver. You need to pry the bottom of the handle out, and then you just need to pull it. It comes out like that. Okay, we're going to be replacing the door handle too in the next video. Okay, next we need a Torx 25, and right here inside of this hole there is one bolt there. So we need to take this one off, and next on the top there is another one with the same tool again. Okay, this one we will not be able to get it out, but once we pry the panel out, it's gonna come out. So now with Torx 20, right here, there is one more screw that we need to remove. And now under the airbag batch right here, you just pry it with a screwdriver, careful, there is 2 clips holding it right there. There is another bolt that's supposed to be here with a Torx 25, but this one is missing. And now you need to get a prying tool, or you could use a screwdriver, and you need to be careful to locate the clips. Okay, right here you can see one of them. Second, so you need to be kind of like careful not to break them. Sometimes when they're old or they've been exposed to too much heat, they tend to break. They sell replacements on eBay. We've bought in the past, they're pretty inexpensive, like 20 for $5. And now, when you pry all the clips right here, we need to unscrew the latch, like that. You just to the left, you unscrew it like a regular nut. Now, next thing that we need to remove the speed cover right here. So you need to open it on this side. You might need to use a screwdriver, and then kind of like pull it like that. It comes right out of there. And now they tend to get stuck, so you need to kind of like lift it up right there. Okay, and the door panel comes right off. That's how you remove the door panel on W203. All you need to do next is just to unhook the handle latch right here. Okay, now to remove the cable for the door handle, you need to move it towards the front, pull up, and now the cable comes right out of there. Okay, next, right here we have 2 screws with a T20, with the Torx 20 that we need to remove. One is right there, and this, okay, that's what it looks like, and one right here. So that's the only thing right now holding the door handle to the door panel. Okay, we removed it, and now we can just push it out. Okay, right here, it comes right out. And now we get the new door handle. Okay, now we get the handle again, and you just slide it back in. You need to steal that soft piece that you have on the old handle. Kind of like makes it contact better, and it doesn't squeak, doesn't make funny noises when you hit bumps and stuff. So it just goes right there. And now you just push it in like that. You can hear a click on the top. And now we need to install the same screws that we already took off, both of them. Okay, next you need to install the cable for the latch on the inside. And now you just need to make sure that you get the locking latch right there, and you need to go in this groove right here now. So it just goes like that, push it down, and now you just get all the clips in, align them, and it snaps right back on. You just put the 2 bolts on the handle, put the lid on top of it, the cover, the 1 bolt under the airbag sign, and right here there is 1 more bolt with that plastic piece. And that's the whole procedure for replacing the indoor handle on Mercedes W203. If you have any questions, let us know. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.